Yeah, we have caffeine.
I don't like coffee, and caffeine makes me sleepy.
Blue team, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, 3.
Let's get the bus, guys.
Oh, my gun's out. Josiah.
Yes.
Corner with me. Go.
Whoa, Nathaniel, go. Don't hit me, I'm too slow.
Someone just got hit.
Ow.
Are they in the house?
Oh,
You want to go in there?
Oh, that's me. We're not safe. We're not safe.
I think I got a guy,
I
maybe.
think we're pinned down.
Nope, he's not dead.
We're pinned. I'm right here with you.
Got a guy. I got a guy in the pallet house. Oh, he's hit.
Straight across. At their citadel. Hey, dude.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run to the wood shack right there. Hey,
All right.
try to cover me, please.
I got you. Go now.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I got a guy pinned.
Do you still have a guy in pallet house? I don't see anybody. Hey, we have guy in pallet health. How do you get him if he... Whew, I got hit in the chest.
Reload.
Reloading?
I can't get my pouch open. Shoot. It is. Loaded.
Oh, crap. Now we have 2 in pallet health.
2? Alright. Alright, you pin him. This guy's at the Citadel. I got you. You're in my way.
How you doing, bro?
Alright, you got him?
I got him. Make a move. Come on.
Red flag is up. We got 3.5 minutes to go.
Hey, we'll cover! We'll cover! Go, go, go! We'll cover, we'll cover.
Hey, pull flag, we got you.
Go, go!
Get cover fire, We got you, pull flag.
Am I gonna have to
Move, move!
Move. Guys, get the flag, get the flag!
Covering fire!
Hey, stop flag firing!
Pellet, pellet. Shoot, get down.
That's my head.
I don't make a move.
One of your BBs bounced off my head.
What was that?
One of your BBs hit my head.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Okay. Wait, what's left side? Oh, we gotta clear out left side.
Is this a guy? Is this an enemy?
Ooh.
What's going on?
Ah, shoot.
What?
I don't know. I don't know where he was.
Yeah, ready.
Cover left, cover left.
Hello.
Hit.
Hit. Well, I think we're on go.
How many respawns do we have? How many respawns do we have?
I don't know.
I just joined.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. I can give you the flag. I just need something. Fire for this guy.
We got 30 seconds. Come on, Red Team, make a push.
Reload, cover me.
Guys, take cover.
Oh crap, I got hit.
Ready? Dang it, I had a really good spot and I slipped.
Horse trailer, horse trailer. Ryan, horse trailer. Guys, horse trailer, horse trailer. No, horse trailer. Guys, get the flag. Horse trailer, get the flag. Get the flag, get the flag. No, dude. Horse trailer, horse trailer. Go, 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 go. Get inside, get inside. Get inside.
I think I shot the cameraman.
Get down, get down. Come on, come in here.
Guys, we just went into a suicide hole.
Go, guard to the north, guard to the north.
Guy, what did you do?
I'm gonna go.
Oh, sorry. Watch your
From
back.
the outside.
Guard to the north side.
This is
why we need a shield. This is a suicide.
crap.
Guys, when we get a shield, we run here and then we just shove the shield in the door. And we just shut the door.
There's a guy to the north of us.
Yeah, let's get out of the
Oh,
trailer.
he's already down. Guys, there's a guy down. Let's go.
Guys,
This is me.
Caleb, I'll cover you guys.
Caleb, I will!
Come here, gentlemen, come here.
Watch if they might go around. Excuse me, jeez, big witchcraft. Watch if they might go around.
Guys to the north.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Go on a recovery mission. For who? Who has the flag? Flag's on the back. Where are we going? Where are you all going? Stay. They're going on a recovery mission for Josiah. Okay. Somebody get Josiah. I'm gonna reload my mag. Watch out! It's gonna get thick out there. Whoa. Yo, who's hitting us?
There's a dude over there.
Get him! I see him! I see him! I see him!
Look at that boy. Light him up.
We got him pinned. Shoot it out.
Guys!
Guys, the barrel. You got range. Get him in.
Guys! Watch, we got a guy over there. Aim towards the hut there.
Yeah, I see him.
Take
I see
three
him.
guys on me.
Guys, you need to get them there.
We need one more guy. One more guy. You with the AK. We need you over here. Hey, we need more men here. Nobody do. No, we got it.
Somebody needs to. Oh, he ran. He ran his post. He left his post.
He left his post. Where is he? Yo, can you frag like right here? Actually, no, that's not. It's gonna be a hard waste, buddy. That's a waste of a frag.
Where are they going?
Where are they? I'm gonna look at that.
Follow me.
You gotta cover them. I'll watch over here. Yeah, boy! Yeah! Your flag's gone! Add it over here. Let's raise it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You didn't hit it.
All right.
Yeah, we got it.
Sweet!
Bro, chill.
Holy flag fire.
Take that, bro. Take that.
Okay, just stop shooting for a second, man. Oh, everybody get back in!
No, it's hot, bro.
We're going around.
Contact left.
Close down.
Hey, guys, right here. He needs reinforcements. There's one guy over there. Guys, one of our guys over there. Guys.
Thanks to Cluster Flag.
We own him now. Nice.
Okay,
I needed to catch my breath. Okay.
We need to go get somebody else.
Yo, hold on. Somebody go get him. Josiah! He's by himself. Josiah, I will cover you. Run. Josiah, make a run for it.
We're clear. We're clear.
Covering fire. Go, go, go.
Cover you. Can we just pull out on this round?
I don't think so.
Can we just pull auto? Come on, call
No.
it! No, that's just my trigger finger. My auto is this. Jeremiah! Josiah! Is this Josiah? Come on! Reloading. How do you shoot with your other hand? We're pushing into that side! Somebody cover me. I gotta reload. I'll cover you from in here. Holy crap, that was bad. Josiah, come on. Bro, why'd you leave? In the trailer, Josiah, we need a third aid.
I didn't realize.
I literally yelled at you.
I know. I didn't realize we were pulling out that. And then I got stuck.
We got their flag, bro.
But I kept killing them, so.
We got a flag.
Okay, we should just wave our flag, the flag up now. Wait a minute, let's see.
We need to claim somebody.
Everybody get in the van, they're gonna rush.
Why?
They're gonna rush, guys, get in, get in.
And then
No.
we take this.
Cover. Okay, we need to take a couple guys this way on this corner.
Hey, gotta guide the Citadel. They're rushing. Contact front. Sorry.
We stand here, guys, we gotta move.
Oh, they're circling. Yo! Get out of there! Get out of there!
I'm shooting him.
Darn it. They're all over us.
Wait a minute, we have their flag, they're on our street.
Darn. Hit.
Gonna go for it immediately.
Tell them what you're using.
No, they said it's whoever side it ends on.
Nice.
Also, I got another magazine from somebody, so.
Cool.
I'm using this
That was
one.
me.
Go backwards with the ball. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
No.
Hey, can somebody else go on the other side? We need some more people on that side.
How many respawns?
Or going straight. Looks like people.
Is that unlimited respawns?
Don't go in back. Don't go back.
So unlimited respawn? Okay, let them leave the ball on our side.
Hey guys. Peter, you want to come charge the house with us? No. Dawson, do you?
Come with us.
Elias, come here.
Cowabunga!
Oh, they're gone. We need to go. Yeah.
Go. Oh, crap. Oh, the sling came off. Crap, hold up.
Oh, my leg.
The sling just came off. Oh, crap, this broke. That's not good. A second. Yeah, the sling broke.
Josiah. Corner.
Yeah, I think I got one of those guys. Did I get hit? I couldn't tell.
Tire! I'm hit! Wait, shoot it!
Take the corner. Football, get in the net. Do something. Remember we haven't taken a game.
Hit! Damn.
Wait, I have an idea. You said you can't go backwards. So
1 second.
Luke, I'm gonna do something really dumb. What? Who the heck is shooting me?
I don't know.
Ow, black.
Somebody's shooting me too.
Come on. Wait, you're black, so you can run the ball very fast. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. So yeah. Well, you can't bring it back.
I don't know, where are they?
There. It's on the side right now. Okay, come with me. Let's flank the right side. They're flanking left. Hey, was that? Can you actually hit anybody with that?
Yeah.
I'm not dissing.
No, I can. Yeah.
Okay.
They're friendly.
Freaking next shot.
We need to move up a little bit more.
Why don't we bail the bus?
See if we can make it to the trail.
No, I should name it off, but somebody in the trail.
Bang, bang 'em.
Okay.
5 minutes remaining.
First, let's get to where this kid is. We're gonna cover and move, all right? You cover me, I'll move. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, he just took it. Alright, guys, where are we going?
And the ball's on our side. Guys, ball's on our side.
Ball is on blue side. The ball is on blue side.